Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to go ahead and do a what's in my makeup bag. I thought that would be a good idea since I have like the makeup bag of all makeup bags. So if you guys want to watch what I have in my makeup bag, then stay tuned. Okay, so before I show you guys my bag, do not judge me. Like I don't know why it's so big. I don't have a whole lot of stuff in there, but I just love this makeup bag, and it's probably the third same makeup bag. I've like ordered it 3 different times because I've had it for so many years and they fall apart. But yeah, it's sort of big. So before I show you, like I said, don't judge me, okay? Anyway, here is my makeup bag. So it is a Caboodles makeup bag. I've gotten it on Target. I've got it at Walmart. Just really depends on where it's available at the time. And this one's sort of getting ripped up, so I'm gonna have to replace it. And I pray to 8-Pound Baby Jesus that they still sell it. I don't know why I don't buy like 2 at a time, but you know I'm cheap. That's just how I am. So you know, I just buy 1 at a time, but I should buy more than 1. But anyway, this is the bag. I like it because it has handles, and then it has a zip, and it zips all the way open. So I will zip it all the way open so you guys can see. And it sort of folds out. So it folds all the way out, and look at all that. Oh, of course, feminine products right off the bat. I apologize, but that's in my bag, so y'all wanted to watch, so that's what y'all gonna have to see. But anyway, so it opens all the way up like this, and then it has a big compartment in there like that. So this outside compartment is usually where I keep all my lip products, so I will go ahead and start with that section first. So the first one that I have in there right now is the Bite, and it's in the color Chai. And I have used this in a tutorial. I love this little mini traveling lipstick, although I've lost it a couple times already. But I do love this pretty color. I have the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid. See if you guys can see that. I like this color because it's super nude and it's more like a lip gloss. It's not a lot of coverage. Of course, you know, I have my Broadway colors. This color is more like the color of the shirt that I have on. This is like one of my favorite colors in life. It was one of my wedding colors. And this is Broadway Colors Butterfly Matte Lip Cream. This is like a dollar store brand. I've tried looking at see if I could order it anywhere, and it's nowhere to be found. So if you have a local dollar store, actually it's Family Dollar. If you want to go to the Family Dollar and pick that up, you can. I think it was like $1. Next, I have a Ofra lip liner, and it's the color Nude. I don't line my lips too often, but sometimes I will just use a lip liner for a lipstick because I'm lazy like that sometimes. But this is a really pretty color. And next I have another, this is what I have on my lips now. It's Bite, and it's in color Glaze. And I like this because it's a pencil, almost like a pencil, but it's really creamy. And it goes up like that, and it goes back down. And I've been liking this a lot lately. Like I said, I have this on my lips now. The next thing that I have in my makeup bag is the Melting Pout by CoverGirl. This is sort of the same color that I have on. This is really like a lip gloss. It has one of those like spongy applicators. It's more like a stain lip gloss, if that makes sense. I put it on just to give my lips a little color, but to be honest, it's not one of my favorite lip products. I don't even know why I still have it in my bag, which means I have to go ahead and clean it out. Okay, so the next little middle section was feminine products. I think we all know what those look like, ladies, so I don't have to show those. The next section that I'll show you is this outer pocket here, and it's sort of before you get to the big section. And what I have in that area is, oh God, I have a lot of crap in that area. It's like the catch-all junky area. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of alcohol swipes. I use these for everything. If I got lipstick all over my face, if I got lipstick on my hands, like I love these things. I work at a medical clinic, so alcohol wipes and things like that are something that we use all the time. So I've just become accustomed to having those in my bag. Next, I have another like a little cleansing makeup remover towelette. These are good to have, again, for any makeup that may get on something and you need to wipe it off. I have, of course, rubber bands. Now, I don't know why I even still have these in my bag. I don't have enough hair to put it in a ponytail anymore. Like I've shaved my sides off, so I don't know, maybe I carry these for other people who need rubber bands. If y'all need a rubber band, I got you some. The next thing that I have in my bag are a variety of different size safety pins. Yeah, I'm that girl that's popped a button or a zipper at an event. The last time I can think of was when I was at a concert with my coworker, and yeah, popped my zipper in the concert in the bathroom. And guess what? I had safety pins. And so yeah, I saved my own life that day. So I always have like a weird variety of safety pins, like bigger ones, small ones. I'm sure there'll be more as we go through this bag. And next I have one of those like little eyebrow razors, which I don't know why I have this. I don't really ever use these. I don't shave my eyebrows, I pluck them or wax. So I don't know why I have this, maybe for an emergency in case I need to cut somebody. Next I have a comb, which I don't know why I have this comb in there, but it's in there. The next thing that I have is a Pro Beauty Blender. It's the Blotterapsy. I try to keep it in the package and keep it clean, but this is amazing. This little product, it's almost like it's like a blotting towel, but it's reusable. So I use this all the time. If I'm getting super greasy, it blots all the oil off of your skin, but doesn't really mess with or disturb your makeup. So I love this thing. I absolutely love that thing, and I use that a lot. So I have it on the outer pocket where I can get to it quickly. I have a little empty bag. Occasionally I'll have to take off my wedding ring, and either for work, or sometimes my fingers are super swollen and I just can't get the dang thing on. So I always keep this in my makeup bag because I always have my makeup bag, and it's something to put my rings in while I am, you know, not able to wear them. And then the last thing I have is this little Estee Lauder eyeshadow palette. It's got a mirror. I think the reason I keep it in here the most is because of the mirror, but these little eyeshadows are really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see them very well, but it's just like a little, you know, basic eyeshadow kit. And yeah, that's in my bag. Okay, so that was the last of that pocket. So now I'm gonna go into the bigger pocket, which, yeah, there's a lot of shit in there. Okay, the next thing that I have is these little like containers that hold different things in the bag, because, you know, I want to keep it somewhat organized. And I actually do keep this pretty organized. Unlike my purse is a damn mess, and it's sad because obviously you see where my priority is. It's with my makeup, because my makeup is usually in order. So this next little pocket here, I don't even know where I got this little case, probably from, you know, Walmart or somewhere. But this is where I usually keep my, like, my eye products. So I'll have like an eyeliner, I have the e.l.f. eyeliner in there. I have my duo glue, because sometimes I'll be ripping my damn eyelashes off in the middle of the day because they drive me crazy sometimes, and I'll have to reapply them, or, you know, stuff happens and your eyelash might come flying off. So I always carry my duo glue so I can fix that, you know, quickly. I have some triple antibiotic ointment. I don't know why I have that in there right now, but it's in there. I have a little tiny travel size of mascara. This is the Ardell Wispies Fiber Building Mascara. I love this little mascara. I have a big size one too. And so yeah, I have a little mini size, and I keep that in my makeup bag. Next, I have the Dip Brow by Ardell. Love this stuff, use it all the time. I have eye drops, dental floss, of course. And then in the bottom of this little pouch are like bobby pins. There's a couple old rinkety, you know, Q-tips that can be thrown away, and tweezers, of course. So that's basically all that's in that little pouch. And I, you know, dubbed that my like eye pouch. So anything eye related. Let me get to the stuff that's floating around in here. Okay, stuff that's just floating around by itself in here. I have a hand sanitizer, of course. I have lotion. I have an assortment of brushes that I might need throughout the day, you know, to fix whatever madness is going on. I have an eyebrow brush and a spoolie. That's the Ardell one. And then I have a little container of Q-tips. And you guys all know that I'm addicted to Q-tips. Like, Q-tips are my best friend. Like, they go everywhere with me. Q-tips, you guys don't understand. Like, Q-tips are the homie. That's all I gotta say. So those are in there. And then in the next compartment I have, anybody who used to get Ipsy would probably recognize these little bags. Oh, you know what? That's the best part of Ipsy, was the little bags. I didn't really care for the products a lot when I was getting it, but the bags were the things that I looked forward to the most. And am I the only one that felt that way? Like, I was super excited about the little bags, but not super excited about the products that they were giving. Anyway, in that bag, I have my Hoola Benefit bronzer. I have this LA Colors blush that I have on today. I love this stuff. Like, it was $1, like $1. Gotta love it. I have my MAC Double Gleam. I have my MAC Dark Deep. I have my Pro Longwear Nourishing Foundation. In case, you know, like there's a spot that needs to be covered, or, you know, I wipe foundation off somehow, something goes awry and I need it. I usually don't have to do that very often, but there have been times where I've needed to use this just a spot, you know, one of these crazy pimples comes through, she got to be covered back up. I keep her in my bag. And then I have, it's in a Bare Minerals container, but it's not a Bare Minerals powder. It's the RCMA. This is the full size here. I just keep it in this container because it's small and it's easy to get to. So just a powder. And then I have this Bella Ray Cosmetics, if that's how you say it. It's a really shimmery, really pretty highlight. So I keep that in my makeup bag because it's just super pretty and it works on everything. So it's glittery, and let me see if I can put some on somewhere where you guys can see. I'll do my side. Like, do you see that? How pretty? Let me go ahead and buff that out. Yeah, so instant shimmer. So you see that? That's why I keep her in my bag. Besides a couple bobby pins, that's all that's left in that bag. So yeah, I think that's about it. That's all I carry in my makeup bag. So you see I have a little bit of everything for any occasion. So yeah, that's all that's in my makeup bag. And I carry this with me every day. It has everything in there that I would ever need in life. So she goes with me everywhere. Everybody that knows me knows that if I leave this anywhere, which I rarely do, but if I did, like, I would, I can't even imagine. It would be like losing a child. Like, if you guys are this obsessive about your makeup bags, then let me know in the comments below, like, so I don't feel like so crazy about it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, all those good things, and I will see y'all next time.